Introducing the stunning 2018 Skoda Superb Active 1.4 TSI 125BHP 4-door in elegant white. This vehicle is packed with amazing features such as air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and much more. With advanced safety features like multiple airbags, traction control, and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. The stylish design includes tinted windows and LED lights for a sleek look on the road. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for added assurance. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us now or visit carlownissan.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the Skoda Superb Active today.